With our weather being so dry as of late, little Hercules here has just experienced his first day of rain. It is pouring outside, and little Hercules decided he didn't want to stay outside today. He didn't like the rain. Too bad for little Hercules. He lives in Oregon. But luckily he's got a loving family, and he's going to sit here and play hide the nut. Just bury his little nuts. Make sure no one else can get them. Isn't that right, Hercules? Yeah. Gotta hide all them nuts. Hide all them nuts. What you doing, Hercules? Huh? Where you going? Oh, that nut's not eating enough. Where are we going? Where are we going? Huh? Are we gonna see me? Wanna come see me? Okay.